What is up everyone, Jflores here, and for today I'm gonna teach you how to make some salted egg chicken wings from scratch. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you wanna learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now. I do upload weekly cooking tutorials, so might as well just hit that right away. So for today's recipe, probably last year I went to Manila and then I've tried Frankies. Frankies is I think a well-known brand sa Manila na they sell chicken wings. They're not that huge, or yung mga restaurant nila is not that big. Pero yun nga, I tried it and it was so effing good. So from then I've tried doing some recipes on how to do a salted egg chicken wings. Once I tried Frankies, it was like this is different, man. This is on point. So yeah, today I'm gonna teach you how to make some salted egg fried chicken wings without any salted egg powder or curry leaves or whatnot. This is just like really from scratch from a salted egg. This is my own version, and then I hope you're gonna like it. So watch till the end. Let's do this game. So first, we're going to crush the salted egg with the curry powder using a fork. This is going to be our base for the marinade, for the coating, and the sauce. This is the consistency you're looking for. Let's proceed to the marination. Note that this chicken has already been brined. Watch my tutorial on how to brine some chicken, link up top. Now we'll just have to season this with salt, pepper, MSG, brown sugar, and about a tablespoon of salted egg base. Mix very well, then let's coat these wings. First, add a tablespoon of salted egg base to our flour, then mix very well by hand. I forgot to mention this, but we need 1 egg for our coating. Just crack into your wings, then mix very well. Also, you can cut your wings into half if you want. Now we can finally coat these wings up. Just drop into the flour mixture, then transfer to a new plate. Do press it a little for those salted egg lumps to stick to your chicken. And now it's time to fry these bad boys. In a pan, heat up some oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply fry the wings until golden brown, approximately 10 to 11 minutes. Do drop the drumettes first, followed by the wings, since the bigger part will take longer time to cook, so they'll be done at the same time. This is what we're looking for. Remove from the heat. Drain very well, then let's make our sauce. In a pot, heat some butter, add in a tablespoon of our salted egg base and some sugar. Mix very well, then bring to a boil. Time to drop those wings, stir very well, and voila, salted egg chicken wings from scratch, done. So that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you're gonna try it at home. I hope you're gonna hit that subscribe, like, comment, and share. So yeah, that was pretty basic and simple. But if you're looking for a chicken wings na packed with salted egg flavor, you should try this at home. From the coating, from the marinade, from the finish, all salted egg are present. So yun nga, might as well try it, and then maybe if you like it, try to sell it, I guess. Because me, I think I'm developing a recipe, and then maybe soon I'll try to sell it. Dito sa Cebu, there's a lot of restaurant who's trying to imitate Frankie's or building their own brand of salted egg chicken wings and whatnot. So might as well just make some of your own, and then hopefully mine will make it one day. Char. So yeah, that is it for today. God bless. Stay safe. Oh wait, follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.